Angle between two lines. See, suppose L1 is equal to 0, comma L2 is equals to 0, or two given lines. So one makes an angle alpha with the theta with the positive direction of its axis, two lines. L1 is equal to 0 makes an angle theta, comma L2 equal to 0 makes an angle alpha with positive direction of its axis. Positive direction of its axis. Therefore, slope of L1 is what? Therefore, slope of L1 is equal to 0 is what? M1, that is tan theta. Slope of L2 equal to 0 is, suppose, M2, that is tan alpha. Then we will try to find the angle between the two straight lines. Suppose this is x-axis. Suppose this is the line L1. This is the line L1, which makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, and another line is L2. So this makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. So this angle is theta, and this angle is alpha. This is L1 is equal to 0 line. This one is L2 is equals to 0 line. Now the angle between these two lines is, suppose, some beta. This is the angle. Not only beta, so this is also considered as angle. That is, this angle is pi minus beta. So now how to find this? This is beta. This angle is beta, means this angle is also beta. Now to find the angle between the two lines, that is beta. So as we know that, so this is x-axis. As we know that exterior angle is equal to, in a triangle, sum of the opposite interior angle. Therefore, alpha is equals to theta plus beta. So from this one, beta is equals to alpha minus theta. Therefore, tan beta is equals to tan alpha minus theta. So we know that tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Therefore, this is tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan theta. Tan alpha tan theta. Therefore, this is tan beta is equal to tan alpha is what? M2. Tan theta is M1. Therefore, slope of this second line M2, slope of the first line M1, M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M2 M1 or M1 M2. So this is tan beta is equals to. Now from this one, but in general, angle by convention, angle between the two lines, generally we will take acute angle only. So acute angle means tan beta is positive. That's why you take always here to find the angle, you put here modulus. Because here in between the two lines, here angle between the two lines means what I said. So this is one line. So this is another line. So this is beta, this angle is beta. Therefore, this angle is pi minus beta. So angle between the two lines means always you take this acute angle. So this is also angle, but generally by convention we take the acute angle as the angle between the two lines. So therefore you put here modulus. Therefore tan beta is equal to M2 minus M1 by 1 plus M1 M2. If acute angle between the lines is beta, then tan beta is equals to, you put modulus here, mod m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So what we need, therefore beta is the angle, therefore beta is equals to what? Tan inverse. Therefore beta is equals to tan inverse mod m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So this is the angle between the two lines. So this is the formula. So here tan pi minus beta is also angle, therefore here you can write like this also, tan pi minus beta is equals to minus of m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2, but angle is this one. Clear this one? So
yes, sir. Sir, can you show the above part?
Right. Vanshika, clear amma method proof?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can score.
Completed? Right.
Yes.
Right. Next, we solve two problems. Next question. Question number 1. Find the angle between the lines. Find angle between the lines joining the points. Joining the points 0, 0, 2, 3, and 0, 0, 2, 3, and 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, 5. So this is the question. So suppose this is one line, this is another line. So this is 0, 0, and 2, 3, and this is 2, minus 2, and 3, 5. This angle is being asked. So to find the angle between these two lines, therefore what you do, suppose this is A and this one is B, this is C and this is D. First find the slope of AB, that is you consider that as M1. So M1 is what? Slope of AB, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus 0 by 2 minus 0, that is 3 by 2. Next, the slope of CD, M2 is slope of CD, that is 5 minus of minus 2 by 3 minus 2, that is 7 by 1, that is 7. This is M2. Now theta is the acute angle between the lines. Suppose this is, let, what I said, angle means acute angle. Let theta be the acute angle in the lines. Then tan theta is equals to what? Mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1. That is mod m1 is 3 by 2 minus m2 is 7 by 1 plus 3 by 2 into 7. That is nothing but 3 minus 14 by 2. Here 2 plus 21 by 2. 2 to cancel. This is minus 11 by 23. So just mod is there, therefore that is just 11 by 20. 11 by 23. So what is this? Tan theta. Angle is equal to what? Theta. Theta is equals to tan inverse 11 by 20. This is the answer. This is the acute angle between the lines. Clear a solution?
Yes.
This is the basic level question. Next question number 2. The angle between the two lines is the angle between two lines is pi by 3 and the slope of one of them is 1 by 3. Then find the slope of other. This is the question. So here angle is given, that is theta, acute angle. Theta is equal to pi by 3 is given. Slope of one line, that is m1 is equal to 1 by 3 is given. Slope of the one line. Let the slope of the other line be some m2. Therefore m2 being asked. So tan theta is equal to, we know that angle is tan theta is equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Therefore tan of pi by 3 is equal to m1 is 1 by 3, m2 is m2 only, 1 by 3 into m2. Tan 60 is what?
Root 3. Root 3, sir.
Root 3 is equals to 1 minus 3 m2 by 3 plus m2. 3 cancel in numerator and denominator. So now if you remove the modulus, then you will get plus or minus. Then what you get? 1 minus 3 m2 by 3 plus m2 is equal to plus or minus root 3. That implies 1 minus 3 m2 is equal to plus or minus root 3 into 3 plus m2. That implies 1 minus 3 m2 is equal to plus or minus 3 root 2. Otherwise, take first plus sign, plus root 3 into 3 plus m2. That implies 1 minus 3 m2 is equal to 3 root 3 plus root 3 m2. So take out this minus 3 m2 right hand side, 3 root 2 left hand side, therefore 3 root 3. 1 minus 3 root 3 is equals to, if we take out m2 common, 3 plus root 3. Yes or no? Therefore m2 is equals to 1 minus 3 root 3 by 3 plus root 3. This is one of the m value. So another value is you take minus sign. 1 minus 3 m2 is equal to minus root 3 into 3 plus m2. And this one. 1 minus 3 m2 is equals to minus 3 root 3 minus root 3 m2. So 1 plus 3 root 3 is equals to m2 into 3 minus root 3. Therefore m2 is equals to 1 plus 3 root 3 by 3 minus root 3. These are the slopes of the other line. Okay, na? This one and this one. So these are the possible slopes of the required line. Okay.
Yes.
Next question number 3. See, question number 3, find the angle between one line is x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So, solution to find the angle, first we will write the slopes of the first line and slope of the second line. Slope of the first line is what? Minus a by b, that is minus 1 by 3. Slope of the second line is minus a by b, therefore minus 3 by minus 1, that is 3 only. This is the slope of the first line, this is the slope of the second line. Then tan theta is equals to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Therefore minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by 1 plus minus 1 by 3 into what? 3. So this is equals to minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by this 3 cancel, here you will have 0. Therefore something by 0 is what? Undefined. Yes or no? So this is what? Undefined. Undefined means theta is equal to what? Pi by 2. Tan 90 is undefined. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 2 means angle between the two lines is 90 degrees. Therefore two lines are perpendicular. So to solve this question, to find the angle, actually you need not to do this complete this process. We need not use any formula. Here itself we can say product of the slopes is what? Minus 1 or not? Yes or no? Yesterday I have given result. The two lines are parallel, m1 is equals to m2. If the two lines are perpendicular, m1 m2 equal to minus 1. I have given the proof also yesterday. Product of the slopes is minus 1 if two lines are perpendicular. So from here itself we can say. So method, this is method 1 by using formula. Method 2 is directly we can say m1 into m2, that is minus 1 by 3 into 3 is equal to minus 1. Therefore product of the slopes is minus 1. Therefore two lines are perpendicular. Therefore angle between them is 90 degrees or pi by 2 degrees.